Okay, now let's see the colors that you require for this drawing. We need to use mid yellow or chrome yellow. Again, you know this color very well, okay? Then orange color or vermilion, and then primary red or crimson red or the basic red color. Red, orange, yellow. Fire colors. Okay, this rises from the fire, so we'll use fire colors, fire shades. Red, orange, yellow. There's only one red, one orange, one yellow. Yes, primary red, orange, medium yellow, chrome yellow. Yeah, medium yellow. Yes, that's right, Rihan. So we'll start with the red color. Everybody pay attention first. I'm going to start with the wing. Outline the wing part with the red color first, like this. Outline with the red color, okay? Apply the strokes of red towards the zigzag lines, like this. If you have seen the video, these are called strokes, okay? You have to move the color towards the zigzag line like this, starting from the outline. First with the red color, then with the orange color, you have to overlap and extend. Okay, extend with the orange strokes. First, apply red color, then orange color. Make the strokes overlapping the red and extending towards the zigzag lines like this. Everybody, I want everybody to look at the screen. Just pay attention. This way you have to apply red and orange. And then for the remaining part, we'll apply yellow color. This yellow you can apply normally, okay? Take the yellow towards the orange. Take the yellow color towards the orange color like this. Now for the inner side, we'll use our finger for blending, and for the outer side, we'll use the cotton buds for blending, okay? Because we don't want the color to scatter, okay? Rub your finger in the same direction for blending, okay? We have to blend orange and red color first, like this. Move your finger for the blending. Then, yes, Rihan, then use this earbud for blending orange and yellow. Yes, tell me. But a tissue paper won't be helpful here because we need a thin object like this because this is a very narrow way, it's a very narrow path where we are doing. So you can't. Here you can use tissue paper, but here you can't use a tissue paper. Who's asking this? Where were you, Triti? Red, orange, and yellow? Red, orange, yellow, beta. Primary red. For the orange, you can use either normal orange or vermilion. And then you can use mid yellow or chrome yellow. Okay, it's same. Whether you can say it mid yellow or you can say it chrome yellow. Okay, first apply. I'm repeating, Dhriti. I think you were not here. So what you have to do is you have to apply the red color on the inner side of the wing, okay, like an outline. Then keep your color on the outline and make strokes towards the zigzag lines like this. Make strokes all over, okay. Then extend the strokes with the orange color. Extend the strokes with the orange color. And then you have to apply yellow color from the side of the zigzag, okay, and take it towards the orange color. And then first you have to blend red and orange with the finger, and then we have to use earbud for blending yellow and orange. Okay, I'm going to repeat same on the other side. Look here, if you have missed it, please pay attention to look at the way of doing it. First outline. Now I'm turning my sheet this side to make my hand comfortable. Make the strokes, all the strokes, towards the zigzag line like this. Okay, this is very, very important how you have to take the strokes towards the zigzag line. Look carefully. Yeah, yes, yes, absolutely, absolutely. Now extend your red strokes with orange. Okay, start from the red part and extend, make the lines longer. Okay, stretch your red lines towards the zigzag lines like this. Give the extension with the orange color, and now we'll apply this yellow color on the upside down V on the zigzag, and take this or this yellow on the orange also. Okay, you have to overlap yellow on the orange. Only then it will blend nicely. See, you must see that we have always overlapped the colors. Like we overlapped orange on red, and now we are overlapping yellow on orange. Okay, so for blending, we need to overlap the colors. Overlapping means one on the other. Okay, first apply one color and then overlap it with the other color. Always apply the dark color first and then light color. Now time to blend with the finger first. You can use your little finger, Rihan. See, if you don't have the earbud, use your little finger for the outer side instead of earbuds, okay? If you don't have earbuds, cotton buds, you can use your little finger for blending the yellow part, for blending the yellow and orange part, okay? See like this. Use your little finger. Little finger will easily go in there without spoiling or scattering the color, okay? Your color will not get scattered. If you use a tissue paper, then the color can get scattered, okay? Also, tissue paper removes the color, okay? It removes the brightness of your color. So I would never recommend you to use tissue paper. That is only for YouTube videos, okay? Because it's on, they just make it quickly without explaining. Yeah, that's right, Amog. Let me see when you complete the wings part. Yes, that's right, Samhita. Correct. That's right, Anna. Absolutely correct. Yes, Kuzali, well done. Now, for this part also, we have to use the same red, yellow, and orange colors. Okay. So red color will apply from here on the head part above the eye, okay? Apply this color above the eye, then under the eye. Now make the strokes in the same way. After applying the color, everybody pay attention. I want everybody's attention here. Even if you're doing something, Sharanya, Aishwarya, everybody look here. First, you have to simply apply the color on the head part around the eye area. Now take the strokes downwards this time, like this. The red strokes first, then the yellow strokes, orange strokes, like this. And then we'll apply yellow, just like we did in the wings. Now this side will apply yellow color. Okay, overlap on the orange, just like we did for the wings. Do it in the same way. Now first we'll blend red and orange with the finger and earbuds, or you can use your pinky finger. So I'm going to use here my pinky finger. I'm using pinky finger because most of you do not have cotton buds, okay? So in case you don't have cotton buds, you can use the small finger, okay? Now repeat for this part. Again, red, orange and yellow. Start the layer with the red color. Then orange. And then yellow. Leave enough space for yellow, okay? Now blend. Just keep cleaning your hand with a rough cloth once done, okay? I'm doing that. Once I'm done, I'm going to clean my hand with a rough cloth like this. Or for the, you can use a tissue paper also for cleaning the hand. You know, if your any red or orange color comes on the yellow and it makes it dull, you can use a clean earbud and move over that. It will become clean again. Okay, you can see the effect. Now, same way for the tail. We'll start doing the tail now. Same way, red first, then orange, and then yellow. I hope you must have seen my video on basic oil pastels. Have you seen that video? I will share today, okay? You have to learn how to apply the color in this way, how to do the strokes in this way, okay? You have to quickly move your color like we do for pencil shading, okay? It's same like the hatching technique, like we do in pencil shading. Keep your color here and quickly move it outwards like this. Yes, tell me. Can you say again? Absolutely correct. It's lovely. Well done. I hope you've got that, Kritika. How we have to do, you have to start with the red color, okay, on the wings, followed by orange and then yellow. Just the way I'm doing the tail, you have to do same thing in the wings also. Apply good amount of color properly, okay? Cover the orange part also. Now start by mixing, by moving your finger on the red and orange first. Pay attention, everybody. Always move your finger. Do not all together. Do not move your finger all together. First, you have to move only in orange and red, okay? Then clean your hand, otherwise it will become all orange, okay? Clean your hand and now orange and wait beta. Orange and yellow. Move your finger between orange and yellow. Yes, tell me now. Tell me beta. You want to ask something? Ashwarya, are you asking something? You have unmuted yourself. Please take care of your mic. We'll do the background slightly darker, okay? I'll tell you what to use. Let's do the fire first, okay? We have to do the fire part before the background, okay? So for the fire also we are using yellow. I'm using yellow more. We won't be, yes, show me. Yeah, absolutely. So more, use more of yellow color for the fire, okay? And we won't be using red here. Just, yes, Rihan, tell me. Tell me, Rihan, you're not audible. Unmute yourself and speak. Okay. Same way we have to do the, you have to do the other parts also. Okay, Rihan? Now everybody pay attention for the fire. You have to outline one side with the orange color, okay? Outline only one side like this. Pay attention, all of you. Just one side and then blend it with yellow. Also color yellow in the beak also, okay? In the beak also we'll do yellow color. Little bit goes outside, it's fine. Not to worry about that. Yes. Yes, Ria. It's not blending well. Okay. So just use your clean hand. Try to use your clean hands. You know, it happens when your hands are not clean, maybe. Okay. Just clean your hand with a cloth or a tissue paper first and then blend it. It will blend well. And the other thing is, sometimes you have not applied enough yellow. Okay. Then also this happens. So you need to apply enough yellow color. Okay. Now I'm starting with the background, okay? For the background, I'm using first black color, okay? Only black color, only for the outlining. I'm using this black for outlining. Look here, after we have completed all the parts of the bird, you have to outline with black like this. Very carefully use this black color. Show me. Yeah, that's right. Outline with black color. Rohan, please lower your hand. Rihan, please lower your hand. Yes, tell me. Yeah, it's looking fine. Yes, Kritika, absolutely. See, it depends on your sheet also. Okay, I used a paper which is slightly rough. Okay, if your paper is not rough, it's very smooth, then also there can be a different way of blending. Okay, it depends on your paper as well. Normally, that watercolor paper that we use for watercolors also, a thick sheet is, good for blending the way I'm showing. Okay, yeah, very careful. Okay, this step is to be done very carefully. Okay, do not spoil your work at all. Use the edge of the crayon and outline everything. All the outer sides of the lines you have to outline with black color for the background, for the first step for the background. Then after that, this make the strokes same way like we did for the body parts. You have to make the black strokes outwards like this. Again, this is called hatching when you move your color outwards like this, like we do in pencil shading. Okay, just like the way we do in pencil shading, move the color outwards quickly. Okay, keep the color on the outline and quickly move outside like this. Okay, only this much black you have to apply. Okay, pay attention, everybody. This much black we need to apply. Yes. Then we have to use this brown color. This is brown, burnt sienna. Okay. Extend the black strokes with the brown color. It's very easy now because we have already done that intricate part. So it's very easy to apply the brown color all around this way. Pay attention, everybody. Look here. How you have to apply the brown color. It's very important. Here, around the black, and you will overlap also, okay? Apply the brown little bit on the black also for the blending, okay? Whenever you say that my colors are not blending, then you have to check your style of applying the color. Okay, Ria, Kritika, just check the style of applying the color. You have to overlap. And if that style works good for you, like for Kritika, that's also fine. Just by applying the color, if it blends, then also it's fine. Okay. And then the next color you have to apply is yellow ochre for the remaining part. For all the remaining part, we'll apply yellow ochre. This is a mustard color. So if you don't have earbuds now, I would suggest you to do the blending part later. Okay, all of you just learn how to do it and do the blending part later, because here your fingers will not work at all. Okay, because the black color is very dangerous. We don't want to spoil our painting, our drawing. Okay, so we have to use only earbuds now. For the blending, we can only use earbuds. Blend brown and black first, and then later you can use your hand for blending. I hope my voice is audible to all of you. You are able to see all of you. Tell me, let me know. Okay. See, look here. I'm using the earbud. You can't see me. Okay. Okay. Wait. Now tell me, is it visible now? Yes, it is visible now. Okay. Yes. Yellow ochre. It's burnt sienna for the brown and yellow ochre for the yellow. Show me. Let me see. Anna. Yeah, that is yellow ochre. You can use that. Yes. Tell me. After the brown, it's yellow ochre. It's yellow ochre, beta. Now see, look here. I'm blending brown and yellow ochre this time. After blending brown and black, now I'm blending brown and yellow ochre. Keep moving your sheet like this. Look at the action. Do not change the direction. You have to, every time you have to keep the direction like this. Hold it with the left hand so that it doesn't move when you rub your finger. Just hold it with the left hand. Show me. Yeah, you can use that. Yeah, yes. Please mute yourself. Yeah, show me. Let me see. Yeah, but you need to blend, okay, Kirtana? Now I can see some of the white spaces in my drawing. So what I'll do is I'll use the earbud to cover those spaces, okay? There should not be any white space. Once done, we have to use the earbud one more time in the black area. Make sure that it doesn't go into the drawing. You want to leave? Are you done? Oh, but I think your colors have not blended that well. You need to blend it. Yeah? Okay. 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 Yeah, I will. Yeah, that's right. That's right, Puzali. Yeah, you can. So one more thing. Wait. Yes, yes, you can. One more thing we have to do is we have to outline. You know what I do for outlining? I break the color, you know, and use it the edge of the color. Okay, I use the sharp edge of the color to outline like this. You know, one pack I have kept like this. You can, yes, you can. If it's not visible, you can outline again. You can write, yes, you can write it with a paint also. Try it sometime. You will get the confidence. Yes, show me. Yes, that's right, Samita. You can extend the yellow ochre color, okay, on all the parts. Yes. Yes, tell me. Okay, show me, show me, show me. Let me see. Yeah, very good. That's right. I will share the video also with all of you, and I will share the basic class video also with all of you so that you can practice the oil pastel strokes, okay, that we have used for this drawing, okay. Now, as you can see, we have to highlight only few lines with the black color because we have already outlined while doing the background. So only few more lines you have to outline. Okay, just few more lines. Yes, that's right, Vivek. That's very good. Well done. It is looking nice. I hope you all liked and enjoyed the class. Okay, you can try. Yes, yellow ochre. Hmm. Okay, okay. Yes, Dhriti, that's right. Show me. It's not visible to me, beta. I can't see. Show, show me. Yeah, you can use that. Black, brown, and yellow ochre. Okay, bye. I'm going to do one more thing. Yes, Rehan, tell me. So I'm going to write here with a white color. Okay, so that we can see the coat. Yes, yes, that's right. Okay, bye, beta. See you next time. No, I won't send, Sharanya. I will not send, beta. Yeah, show me. Let me see. Show me, beta. Yeah, that's right. I think you need to extend the brown and yellow color a little bit more, Risha, okay? It's fine like this. If you want to keep it like that, it's totally fine. Okay? But like the way I